We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Some say the version of birds made in North America doesn't taste as good as the version made in Britain. Whatever the brand of custard powder, though, whether birds or another, the ingredients are very similar to a North American vanilla pudding mix.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.